Have you noticed more birds chirping, flowers blooming, and bugs buzzing? Spring is here for many of us in the States, and with it comes the annual tradition of discovering some buried treasures in the home, or as most people call it, spring cleaning. While deep cleaning your home can seem daunting at first, with the right approach and attitude, you can clean more with less time. In this video, we'll talk about some great products that can help make your spring cleaning a breeze, and possibly even enjoyable, so you can have a cleaner and cozy home without sacrificing all your free time. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about air purifiers. Did you know that indoor air can be more polluted than outdoor air? That's why an air purifier can be such a valuable tool for maintaining a healthy home. It captures and removes common allergens and pollutants found in the air, like dust, pollen, and pet dander. When looking for an air purifier, there are a few features to keep in mind. One of the most important is the filter. Our recommended air purifier has a 4-step filtration system that captures and removes up to 99.97% of airborne particles. The preliminary filter captures larger particles like hair and dust, while the H13 True HEPA filter captures smaller particles like pollen and mold spores. The activated carbon filter helps remove odors from pets, cooking, and smoking, and the antibacterial layer helps eliminate harmful bacteria in the air. In addition to a high-efficiency filter, some air purifiers also come with a natural ionizer. This feature can improve the air purifying efficiency by 14% by attracting and removing pollutants like dust and smoke. It's also important to consider noise level when choosing an air purifier. If you plan to use your air purifier in a bedroom or other quiet space, you'll want to choose a model with a low noise level, like this Renair air purifier, which has a quiet mode that operates at only 28 decibels. Reducing the amount of dust and debris in the air with an air purifier can help to save time and energy during your spring cleaning efforts and make your home easier to maintain throughout the year, as there will be less buildup on surfaces and in your HVAC system. Overall, using an air purifier can be a great investment in the health and cleanliness of your home. Another key product for a healthy home is a dehumidifier. In addition to mold and mildew growth, high humidity levels can also lead to other health issues like respiratory problems, allergies, and skin irritation. Dehumidifiers can help to alleviate these issues by drawing in humid air and removing excess moisture. This can be especially important during the spring cleaning season, as increased activity around the home can lead to higher humidity levels. In addition to traditional dehumidifiers, there are also newer models that incorporate air purification technology, offering an all-in-one solution for maintaining a healthy home environment, such as this Sorby dehumidifier. This model features a 1,000 milliliters water tank and the ability to remove up to 750 milliliters of water per day in environments with 80% humidity and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It also utilizes Peltier technology, which is known for its energy efficiency and quiet operation. It can also remove allergens and pollutants from the air using a true HEPA filter, further improving the air quality in your home. By including a dehumidifier with air purification technology in your spring cleaning routine, you can reduce the risk of mold and mildew growth, as well as improve overall air quality and create a more comfortable living environment. Whether you live in a humid climate or simply want to create a healthier home, a dehumidifier can be an effective and worthwhile investment. Last but not least, let's talk about vacuums. If you're looking to keep your home clean and healthy, it's important to choose a vacuum that's designed to capture dust and allergens. A vacuum with multi-layer filtration is a good option for this, as they can capture particles and ensure dust does not circulate back into your air while vacuuming. Also, if you don't want to constantly stop and empty the dustbin, try to look for a vacuum with large dustbin like this one. The Otis Robot Vacuum has a large 900 milliliters dustbin, which is almost twice as large as other robot vacuums in the market. With its strong suction power of up to 1,200 pascals and 2 sweeping arms, it can ensure a thorough clean of your floors. Plus, its custom cleaning mode and scheduled cleaning function allow you to tailor your cleaning experience to your needs. And with a long battery life of up to 90 minutes, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging it. Once it's finished, the vacuum will automatically recharge itself. Using a robot vacuum like Otis can be a great time saver during spring cleaning as well as everyday life. It can efficiently remove dirt, dust, and other debris from your floors, even in hard-to-reach areas like under furniture. This allows you to focus on other tasks while the robot vacuum takes care of cleaning the floors. Adding these products to your spring cleaning routine will not only help you create a healthier and more comfortable home, but also save you time and energy during your cleaning efforts. Don't forget to share your own spring cleaning tips in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.